السلام عليكم. أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا بكم. In our previous lessons we learned that the word كلمة is three types: noun اسم, verb فعل, and particle حرف. We also learned that noun has four qualities: الجنس gender, العدد number, التعريف والتنكير definiteness or indefiniteness, and الإعراب case ending. In today's lesson we are going to learn الجنس gender in details inshallah. الجنس المذكر والمؤنث gender masculine and feminine. In Arabic there are two types of nouns in terms of gender. First one masculine المذكر and the second one feminine المؤنث. There is no special sign for identifying masculine words, and words should be assumed to be masculine المذكر unless they belong to one of the following categories. First one المؤنث الحقيقي real feminine or feminine by meaning. Second one المؤنث الحكمي conventional feminine. We will start with the first one المؤنث الحقيقي real feminine or feminine by meaning. They are female human beings or animals which have their male opposites. Examples: أم is opposite of أب or والد mother. امرأة woman. بنت girl. أخت sister. عروس bride. زوجة wife. دجاجة chicken, and بقرة cow. There are also words which do not have male opposites and yet they are also classified as المؤنث الحقيقي real feminine. Examples: حامل pregnant, مرضع wet nurse, حائض menstruating lady. These terms only used for ladies. The second type of مؤنث المؤنث الحكمي conventional feminine. المؤنث الحكمي conventional feminine indicating nouns of things not truly feminine but follow a conventional rule. It includes the following. First one nouns ending with تا مربوطة التا مربوطة closed تا. The letter تا is also known as round or closed تا. It is considered as the basic feminine sign. Examples: سيارة car, مدينة city, مدرسة school, حديقة garden, غرفة room, and شجرة tree. They are considered to be feminine because they end with تا مربوطة round تا. The letter ta is also added to the masculine nouns or adjectives to make them feminine. Examples: Malik is king and it is made Malikatun by adding ta marbuta and it means queen. Malikun king and Malikatun queen. Tabibun male doctor and feminine of it is tabibatun female doctor. And adjectives: Jamilun beautiful for male and Jamilatun beautiful for female. Kabirun big for male and Kabiratun big for female. But we have exceptions such as male words also carrying ta marbuta but they are male. Examples: Hamzatu, Talhatu. These are male words, proper nouns. And Khalifatu, it means Caliph, Islamic ruler. The second one of the conventional feminine is nouns ending with shortened alif. Alif maqsoora. It's called shortened alif. it ends with shortened alif. Bushra, Husna, Layla, Kubra, Sughra, Halwa, and Salma. All these are considered to be feminine because they end with alif maksura, shortened alif. The third one is nouns ending with elongated alif. Alif al-mamduda, elongated alif. Examples: Hamra'u, Hasna'u, Sahra'u, Kibriya'u, and Bayda'u. The above three kinds of feminine nouns, ta marbuta, shortened alif, and elongated alif, are called al-Muannath al-Qiyasi, or logical feminine, because they follow a specific pattern or rule. Besides this, there are some nouns that do not follow any rules or patterns to be regarded as feminine. These are called al-Muannath al-Sama'i, or feminine by common usage. They are: first, names of towns, cities, and countries. Without exceptions, they are all feminines. All the names of towns, cities, or countries. Al-Iraq, Baghdad, Al-Yemen, America, and London. And the second one, parts of body that are in pairs or double parts of the body. Not the single parts, only double parts of the body is considered feminine. Examples: Rijlun, leg, Yadun, hand, Udhunun, ear, Ainun, eye, and Qadamun, foot. The third one is names of females without feminine sign. Examples: Zainab, Maryam, Kulthum, Hind, and Abir. These are feminine nouns, names, but they don't have ta marbuta. And the fourth one is letters of alphabet is considered feminine. Letters of alphabet are generally used as feminine, but they can also be used as masculine, but mostly they are feminine. Alif maksura. We say alif maksuratun, not maksurun. We add ta marbuta because alif is a letter. Ta marbuta. We don't say ta marbut. We say ta marbutatun. Ends with ta marbuta. 5. Some collective nouns and broken plurals. Examples for collective nouns: qawmun, people, and rahtun, tribe. And examples for broken plurals: Yahud, Jews, and Nasara, Christians. Exceptions. We have exceptions to these types of feminine nouns. Words used by Arabs as feminine without any rule or reason. They don't follow any of the previously mentioned rules, but they are used by Arabs as feminine, such as Ardun, earth, Nafsun, soul, Rihun, wind, Darun, house, Shamsun, sun, Bi'run, well, Harbun, war, Narun, fire, Dalwun, bucket, Jahannam, hell, and Sama, sky. These are exceptions. They don't follow any rules mentioned above, but they are used by Arabs as feminine. Let's give example in the sentence how we use these feminine nouns in the sentence. If a noun is feminine, then the verbs, adjectives, etc. must also be feminine. Example: هذا البيت جميل. This house is beautiful. The noun البيت is masculine. It ends with open ta. Ta مفتوحة, not ta مربوطة, and it is masculine. هذا is also for masculine, means this, and جميل is adjective, means beautiful. Example for feminine noun in the sentence is هذه السيارة جميلة. This car is beautiful. السيارة car is feminine, word because it ends with ta marbuta. The adjective at the end is also feminine, jamilatun. In the first sentence is jamilun for masculine, and in the second sentence jamilatun for feminine. Talhatu talibun mujtahidun. Talha is a hard-working student. Talha ended with ta marbuta, but it is masculine. It's a male name, not female. Talibun, a student, male student. Mujtahidun, hard-working, also masculine. All words are masculine in this sentence. Maryamu talibatun mujtahidatun. Maryam is a hard-working student. Maryam is a female name, although it doesn't end with ta marbuta. Talibatun, female student, and mujtahidatun, hard-working for female. Misru kabiratun wa jamilatun jiddan. We also said that the countries, cities, towns are also feminine. Misr is Egypt. Egypt is very big and beautiful. Kabiratun is adjective, means big, and jamilatun beautiful. Kabiratun wa jamilatun. But if there is a word, male word or masculine word between the adjective and the noun, then adjective must follow the masculine noun, not the feminine noun. Example, Misru baladun kabirun wa jamilun jiddan. Egypt is a very big and beautiful country. Previously we said kabiratun, Misru kabiratun, but in this sentence we say Misru baladun kabirun, because kabirun qualifies the word baladun, not Misru. Anfuhu kabirun. His nose is big, because anfun, nose is single in the body, not double, not in pair. It is considered masculine. While hand is feminine. Yaduhu maftuhatun. His hand is open, not maftuhun. We say maftuhatun. Adjective must be feminine, because hand, we have two hands in our body. It's considered feminine. And last sentence comes from exceptions. Al-Qamaru jamilun. The moon is beautiful. And Ash-Shamsu harratun. The sun is hot. We said these are exceptions that used by Arabs as feminine. There is no rule or reason to explain why the moon is masculine or Ash-Shamsu feminine, because they are used by Arabs as masculine and feminine. That's all for today's lesson. See you in next lesson inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.